Welcome back. In sports tonight, Football Kenya Federation's Electoral Board has released the calendar and guidelines for the upcoming FKF elections, following the board's receipt of communication from the world governing body FIFA. The electoral process is set to begin afresh from the county level to the national level, and thereafter the sub-county level was provided for by the FKF Constitution, FIFA Standard Electoral Code, and the FKF Electoral Code.
There's been push and pull around the candidate eligibility criteria. Now, if you look at the FIFA letter, we have clear direction that we use FKF, the FKF Constitution, and where necessary, we go to the FIFA statutes, where necessary. Now, because the candidate eligibility criteria has been a big deal, we've gone through all those statutes, we've gone through the FKF Constitution, and we have actually come up with a solution that we think should be acceptable. A candidate must have played an active role in football, either as a player, member, or an official of FKF in 2 of the last 5 years.
Table tennis star Ali Khan Kazia says his desires to take ping-pong trick shots to the next level here in Kenya. Kazia, who has become a world sensation due to his prowess, feels that more Kenyans will join him in the trick shot world soon. Our Robinson Okenya has the details.
Some describe his art as extraordinary. Ali Khan Kazia is taking the mastery of trick shots to another level. The table tennis player who got in trick shots in 2017, together with his friend, has seen his craft earn him recognition in the world, with people puzzled by his prowess.
I did not expect it, but as soon as we started getting messages from other big pages saying they want to use our content and post it on their page, we realized we can actually take this very seriously. We can actually make this big. So we made it a point that we make time to shoot every week, to get great content out every week, and to just surprise people.
Having excelled in table tennis in the past, there has been conflict amongst his peers on why he has chosen to pay attention to trick shots.
I mean, I do get told that you shouldn't be doing trick shots, you should be focusing on the game, you should be training more. But then again, I feel like I'm exposing myself better through trick shots because I don't get that much exposure on the international scene if I were to represent the country, because there's not much opportunity of traveling internationally.
Achieving some of his work requires time, a situation that has taught him patience. The coronavirus lockdown period gave him a chance to perfect some of his skills.
There have been many instances when I've been like, okay, I'm done. I can't do this anymore, of course. But then you persevere and you eventually do get it. Like, for example, I've taken 4 weeks to do one shot. It's taken a month to do one trick shot.
Despite achieving numerous accolades in short period of time, Ali Khan feels he's yet to get to the level he set for himself.
I do feel I'm happy with where we've gotten. However, I feel also that our following should be bigger because of the complexity of our shots compared to other trick shotters that are out there. I feel we are very complex and we deserve more followers.
He also feels that in a few years, there will be more people taking part in trick shots.
Others, because I have found a lot of junior players trying to recreate my own shots. And they tell me, it's so hard, we can't do it. How do you do it?
With his excellence in trick shots, Ali Khan Kazia's hope is to keep soaring even higher. Robinson Okenya, KTN Sports.
And finally tonight, Manchester United reached the Europa League semi-finals as